Earning money from trading every single day might sound like a dream, right? But believe me, this dream can turn into reality if you have the right mindset, the right strategy, and the determination to win. The market challenges you every day, but those who learn to read its moves are the ones who win consistently. What I'm about to share isn't just theory. These are insights drawn from a powerful book, Winning Trade Every Day: How to Earn Daily from Trading. Inside this book lie the rules, mindset, and trading secrets that can help anyone achieve consistent profits. Forget fear, forget doubt. It's time for action. Let's explore the path that leads to daily profits. Today, I'll share with you 3 powerful lessons from this book that hold the real treasure of trading success. 1. The mindset of a winning trader: How a professional thinks differently from an average trader. 2. The winning trading strategy: How to take just one solid trade a day. 3. The real game of risk and discipline, because controlling loss is the biggest victory in trading. So, if you want to make one winning trade every single day, without unnecessary risks and confusion, this video is for you. Let's dive into the first key, the trader's mindset. In trading, your most powerful weapon is your mindset. Understanding the market's moves is essential, but more important is how you think and how you make decisions. A winning trader doesn't rely on luck or emotion. They treat trading as a professional business. Most people fail because they treat it like gambling. When the market rises, greed takes over. When it falls, fear dominates. These two emotions, fear and greed, are the real enemies that destroy decisions. Fear pushes you to exit too soon, while greed tempts you to take unnecessary risks. That's why most traders lose money. A winning trader, however, doesn't try to eliminate fear and greed. They learn to manage them. When fear hits, you might close trades too early and miss profit. When greed dominates, you might hold too long and lose everything. The key is to listen to the market, not your emotions. Follow your rules, act without emotion, and remember, the market doesn't care about your feelings, but your decisions are shaped by them. The next step is learning to accept loss. Winning every day doesn't mean never losing. Failure is normal, but accepting and learning from loss is what separates true traders from the rest. Those who fear or ignore losses eventually get wiped out. Remember this line: loss is the tuition fee you pay to become a successful trader. Every loss is a lesson, not a setback. Another critical mindset shift: treat trading as a business, not a bet. In business, you weigh risks and rewards carefully. You don't act emotionally, you act strategically. The same applies in trading. Every decision should come from logic, not impulse. And remember, making the right decision is more important than making quick money. Most people focus only on profit, not on process. But a true trader focuses on making the right trade, not the fastest one. If your process is correct, money will follow naturally. So, don't think, I have to make money. Think, I have to make the right trade. Lastly, never stop learning. The market keeps changing. What works today might fail tomorrow. The best traders evolve constantly. They learn from their mistakes, study patterns, and refine their systems. Trading is a journey, not a destination. Those who keep improving their mindset and skill are the ones who stay profitable for years. Now, let's move to the second key, the strategy. This is the practical game plan for your daily winning trade. But remember, there's no magic formula here. It's a simple, smart, and consistent approach that helps you take one solid trade per day. Why only one trade? Because trading more doesn't mean earning more. The market isn't always right. Overtrading multiplies your mistakes. One perfect trade allows focus, control, and clarity. You take fewer risks, stay calm, and maintain consistency. That's why professional traders often take only 1 or 2 trades a day, but with deep analysis and total focus. To find that one good trade, start by understanding the market. Study trends, support and resistance levels, and timing. The easiest and most effective way is to follow the trend. Buy when the market moves up, sell when it moves down. Learn to read chart and candlestick patterns. They'll guide your entry and exit points. Use indicators for confirmation, but don't depend solely on them. Next, create your own trading rules and follow them strictly. Define your entry clearly. Set a stop loss to control damage. Decide your target profit before you trade, and never go against the trend. These rules build consistency and discipline. Every successful trader relies on 3 essential tools: chart patterns to understand price movement, trend analysis to know the market direction, and risk management to ensure you never lose more than you can afford. When these 3 work together, you'll always find strong trades. But strategy alone isn't enough. Patience and emotional control are crucial. Even the best setup fails if you rush. Wait for the right moment. Don't let fear push you into early entries, or greed drag you into bad ones. A calm mind makes better decisions. And finally, keep a record of every trade. Note when and why you entered, what the result was, and what you learned. Reviewing your record shows where your strategy is strong and where it needs improvement. The more you practice, the sharper your instincts will become. Now, let's move to the third key: risk management and discipline. These are the pillars that keep you alive in the market. First, protect your capital. Earning matters less than saving what you've earned. Risk management means knowing exactly how much you can afford to lose before you enter a trade. Don't risk more than 1% of your total capital in a single trade. Always set a stop loss. It's your safety net when the market turns against you. Maintain balance between risk and reward. If you risk 1,000, your target should be at least 2,000, 3,000. This ensures your wins outweigh your losses over time. Second, discipline is non-negotiable. Follow your rules strictly. Never cancel your stop loss. Never trade without a plan, and never act out of panic. Stick to your system and trust the process. Third, control your emotions. The real secret of consistent winners. Fear, greed, and impatience are the silent destroyers of trading careers. Discipline only works if you don't let emotions rule you. When you feel emotional, pause, breathe, step back, and remind yourself of your rules. And finally, evaluate your progress regularly. Review your performance, analyze both wins and losses, and see if you're following your plan accurately. Continuous improvement is what makes you unbeatable in the long run. Remember, success in trading doesn't come from knowledge alone, but from solid risk management and unwavering discipline. Master these two, and you'll keep winning in the game of trading. If this video gave you something valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends so they can also learn to win in the market. And in the comments, tell me, what's your biggest trading challenge? I'll personally respond to your questions. Let's walk this road of trading success together.